The lake that killed. Lake Nyos is a natural crater lake located in the northwestern region of Cameroon, Central Africa. It sits inside an ancient volcanic crater formed hundreds of years ago and lies above an active geological zone known as the Oku Volcanic Field. At first glance, Lake Nyos appeared calm and beautiful, but beneath its dark waters, it concealed a silent and deadly threat. Massive amounts of dissolved carbon dioxide, CO, rising slowly from deep volcanic sources underground. For years, the lake quietly stored this gas until one night, it released it all at once. The night of the tragedy, August 21st, 1986. On the night of August 21st, 1986, at approximately 9:30 p.m., something unprecedented occurred. Without warning, Lake Nyos experienced a rare and catastrophic phenomenon known as a limnic eruption. In a matter of minutes, hundreds of thousands of tons of carbon dioxide gas violently rose from the bottom of the lake and burst into the atmosphere. The gas formed an invisible, odorless cloud that flowed silently down the surrounding valleys. Because CO is heavier than air, it hugged the ground, displacing oxygen as it moved. Anyone who inhaled it lost consciousness within seconds and suffocated shortly afterward. Human and environmental impact. The consequences were devastating. Approximately 1,700 people died, many in their sleep without any visible injuries. Over 3,500 animals, including cattle, birds, and wildlife, were also killed. Entire ecosystems were wiped out. Even insects were found dead. Villages such as Loa Nyos, Chai Saboom, and Fang were almost completely erased. Families were found collapsed inside their homes, frozen in time. Survivors later described waking up surrounded by silence, no birds, no insects, no human voices. 4. What is a limnic eruption? A limnic eruption is an extremely rare natural event that occurs in deep volcanic lakes. Here is how it happens. 1. Volcanic CO gas continuously seeps into the lake from underground magma chambers. 2. Due to stable temperatures and lack of mixing, the gas becomes trapped in deep layers of water. 3. Pressure builds over years or decades. 4. A small disturbance such as a landslide, temperature shift, or seismic vibration triggers a sudden release. The result is similar to shaking and opening a carbonated bottle, except on a massive, lethal scale. During the Lake Nyos disaster, scientists estimate that 100,000 to 300 tons of CO were released in minutes. 5. Scientific investigation after the disaster. International scientific teams arrived shortly after the tragedy. Their findings confirmed that the CO came from deep magmatic sources, not from decaying organic matter. Lake Nyos sits directly above volcanic vents that continuously feed gas into the lake. A similar but smaller event had occurred 2 years earlier at Lake Manoon, killing 37 people, a warning that went largely unnoticed. This discovery changed global understanding of volcanic lake hazards forever. 6. Prevention, degassing pipes. To prevent another catastrophe, scientists designed a solution. Degassing pipes were installed in Lake Nyos. Long vertical pipes reach deep into the lake. CO-rich water rises through the pipes naturally. As pressure decreases, gas escapes gradually at the surface. This controlled release prevents dangerous buildup. These systems act as pressure release valves for the lake. Thanks to continuous degassing and monitoring, the risk of another limnic eruption has been greatly reduced, though never entirely eliminated. 7. Legacy and global importance. The Lake Nyos disaster became one of the deadliest natural gas disasters in human history, changed how scientists assess risks in volcanic regions. led to monitoring programs for other dangerous lakes,
Milhares
including
morreram
Lake
quando o
Kivu in
lago
Africa,
explodiu.
which holds even larger gas
Agora,
reserves.
apenas o silêncio
It remains a
permanece para
chilling
aqueles que
reminder
acordam.
that some of the
Em
deadliest
21 de agosto
natural
de
threats are
1986, o Lago News entrou em erupção. Uma nuvem invisível de CO2.
Milhares morreram quando o lago explodiu. Agora, apenas o silêncio permanece para aqueles que acordam.
Em 21 de agosto de 1986, o Lago News entrou em erupção. Uma nuvem invisível de CO2. Em 21 de agosto de 1986, o Lago News entrou em erupção. Uma nuvem invisível de CO2. Lago Nós, Camarões, um gigante adormecido. Dióxido de carbono mortal hasta um mês nas profundidades.